Next we have Shriya from Candor.
Your time starts now. First word, amateur. Amateur. It means a person who's not a professional. They take part in something for enjoyment or for interest, not as a job.
AMATEUR.
Absolutely right. Second word, percussion. Percussion.
PERCUSSION.
That's right. And final word, monotonous. Monotonous. It means without variation.
US.
It's TONOUS. Monotonous. Okay, thank you.
Next we have Asta from NPS Shivamogga.
Your 1 minute starts now. First word, flamboyance.
Can you repeat, sir?
Flamboyance.
FLAMBOIENCE.
It's BOY. Okay. Second word, voluminous. Voluminous. SHAPEN, which is what you said. So, thanks. That's absolutely right.
Now we'll start with Kushi on the stage.
Okay, your 1 minute starts now. First word, distraught.
DISTRAUT.
There's a silent thing in between. GH before the T. Okay. Second word, henpecked. Henpecked.
HEMPECKED.
That's absolutely right. You still have a whole 30 seconds, so take your time for this final word. Effervescence. Effervescence.
EFFERVESCENCE.
Superb answer. That's absolutely right.
And lastly in this round we have Vaishnavi from Oak Ridge International.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Your second round starts now. First word, beneficial.
BENEFICIAL.
That's right. Second word, poltergeist.
POLTERGEIST.
That's right. And your final word, ceaselessly. Ceaselessly means without stopping or with unflagging resolve.
SEIZELESSLY.
Actually, CEASE, ceaselessly. Okay? Thank you. Great job on this round. Our state champion for category 1 is Aditya Maslekar from St. Josephine School. Please give him a big round of applause. And if you can just come to the center here. And our district champion is Aryaman Saha from Presidency School. Huge round of applause. Okay. Let's move on to category 2 now. Our state champion for category 2 is Shriya from Candor School. And the district champion is Suhani Jha from Candor School again. In category 3, we have Kushi from KLE School as our state champion. And we have Asta Ambekar from NPS Shivamogga as our district champion. And finally, in category 4, we have Vaishnavi from Oak Ridge International as our state champion.